Are you ready to dive into the essential steps of producing academic work? This video will guide you through a structured approach to ensure clarity, accuracy, and quality. Discover how each step builds upon the previous to create effective academic work. Understanding the assignment's purpose is crucial for guiding the entire process. Start by identifying the objective, whether to analyze, argue, or review a topic. Clarify the requirements, including word count and referencing style. Gather background information from general sources to understand the topic. Identify key themes and gaps to explore further. Log into your account. Formulate a clear research question or thesis statement to drive your analysis. List key concepts and keywords related to your topic. This aids in finding relevant sources efficiently. Identify reliable sources like databases and journals. Select primary and secondary sources for a balanced perspective. Begin with general sources like textbooks to gain an overview. Identify key concepts, significant authors, and primary theories. Formulate a central idea or thesis to explore. Focus the scope to ensure it's manageable within the assignment's limits. This sets the foundation for your academic work. Create an outline to plan your work's structure. Organize main points and supporting arguments logically. Identify sections and subsections for clarity. Include primary data and secondary sources for a comprehensive view. Evaluate source credibility to ensure information is accurate and current. Select primary and secondary sources for a balanced view. Evaluate the credibility of each source for accuracy. Check author credentials and publication date. Create an outline to plan the structure of your work. Organize main points and supporting arguments in a logical sequence. Plan the structure with an engaging introduction. Divide the body into sections for each key argument. Use evidence to support each section, incorporating analysis. Summarize findings in the conclusion and suggest future research. Cite sources as you write to avoid plagiarism. Start with an engaging introduction that presents the main topic. Divide the main body into sections for each argument. Use evidence and analysis to support each point. Conclude by summarizing findings and restating importance. Suggest future research directions if relevant. Cite sources as you write to avoid plagiarism. Use a mix of paraphrasing and direct quotations. Ensure each citation supports your point. Include in-text citations and a full bibliography. Follow the required referencing style consistently. Ensure each section transitions smoothly to the next. Maintain a clear and logical structure throughout. Proofread for grammar, spelling, and style errors. Refine the language for clarity and academic tone. Check referencing consistency for accuracy. Review the draft for clarity and relevance. Refine arguments where needed to improve quality. Check for spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors. Ensure all citations are formatted correctly. Verify that the document adheres to academic guidelines. Log into your account. Format the document according to academic requirements. Include a title page with necessary details. Add a table of contents if required for navigation. Ensure compliance with submission guidelines. Double-check submission requirements before uploading. Plagiarism involves using someone else's work without credit. It includes direct copying and paraphrasing without citation. Self-plagiarism is reusing one's own previous work without permission. Mosaic plagiarism blends phrases from various sources without citation. Consequences include academic penalties and damage to reputation. Cheating involves using unauthorized materials or help. Examples include using notes during exams or copying from others. Online assistance without permission is also cheating. Consequences undermine fairness and lead to penalties. These include failing grades or suspension. Fabrication involves creating false data or experiments. Falsification alters information to mislead results. These actions compromise academic integrity. Consequences include retraction of work and severe penalties. They mislead others and damage trust in research. Collusion occurs when collaboration is unauthorized. It involves working together on individual assignments. Sharing answers during exams is also collusion. This undermines independent work principles. Penalties include mark reduction or disciplinary action. Log into your account. Contract cheating involves outsourcing work to others. This includes using essay mills or hiring tutors. It's considered severe academic misconduct. Penalties often include expulsion for violating honesty. It undermines the value of genuine academic efforts. This involves digital tools misrepresenting capabilities. Examples include using AI without disclosure. Bypassing plagiarism detection systems is also unethical. Consequences treat this as cheating with penalties. Institutions establish guidelines on technology usage. Plagiarism and misconduct disrupt academic integrity. They devalue genuine efforts and achievements. Understanding these is crucial to avoid penalties. It contributes to a fair and ethical academic environment. Maintaining integrity is essential for trustworthiness. Each step builds upon the previous for systematic work. Following these steps ensures well-organized academic work. It demonstrates understanding and critical analysis. From research to final submission, each step is crucial. This process leads to coherent and credible work. In conclusion, producing high-quality academic work requires following structured steps, maintaining clear organization, and ensuring accurate presentation. By understanding and avoiding misconduct, you not only protect your integrity but also strengthen the credibility and impact of your work. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out via WhatsApp or email. Thank you.